Class 10th Science and Technology Part 2 Chapter number 3 Life Processes in Living Organism Part 2. In this video we will see some important definitions and short answers question. So let's start. Name the following. 1. Vegetative part of a plant. Root, stem, leaf, bud. Number 2. 4 floral holes. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. 3. The elongated part of carpel bearing stigma at its tip. Style. 4. The process through which seed develop into seedlings. Germination. 5. Organs of human male reproductive system which are not paired. Urinogenital duct, penis, prostate gland. 6. Hormones related with male reproductive system. Follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, testosterone. 7. Hormones secreted by ovary of female reproductive system. Progesterone, estrogen. 8. Types of twins. Monozygotic twins, dizygotic twins. 9. The type of disease which spread from one affected person to another through unprotected sexual contact. Sexually transmitted disease. 10. Any two sexually transmitted disease. Syphilis, gonorrhea, AIDS. What is asexual reproduction? The process of formation of new organism by an organism of same species without involvement of gametes is called as asexual reproduction. What is meant by cyst in amoeba? During unfavorable conditions, amoeba forms a protective covering around its plasma membrane to form a cyst. What is the advantage and disadvantage of asexual reproduction? Advantage of asexual reproduction: it is a fast process, therefore rate of reproduction is rapid. Disadvantage of asexual reproduction: it does not involve fusion of two different gametes. Thus, the new organism formed are genetically identical to the parent cells. Therefore, genetic recombination does not occur. Thus, there is a lack of genetic variation. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction: it is a process of reproduction in which two parents are involved to produce offspring by fusion of a male and a female gamete. Which hormone is released from pituitary of mother once the fetal development is completed? After the fetal development is completed, pituitary gland of mother secretes oxytocin. What is regeneration? Regeneration is a method of asexual reproduction in some multicellular organisms. What is the function of stigma in reproduction? Stigma becomes sticky and receives the pollen grains during pollination, which helps in the germination of the pollen grains. Write a short note on pollination. The process of transfer of pollen grains from another to stigma is called pollination. Pollination occurs with the help of abiotic agents like wind, water, and biotic agents like insect and other animals. Secretion of which glands constitute the semen? Secretion of seminal vesicles, prostate glands, and Cooper's gland constitute the semen. Which are the paired structures of male reproductive system? The paired structures of male reproductive system are testes, copper gland, seminal vesicle, vas deferens, ejaculatory ducts, and epididymis. What is menstrual cycle? Female reproductive system undergoes some changes at puberty, and those changes repeat at an interval of every 30 days. Such repetitive changes are called menstrual cycle. What is menopause? The natural cessation of menstruation that occurs between the age of 45 to 50 years is known as menopause. What is IVF? IVF is a technique in which fertilization is brought about in the test tube. What are twins? Name the two types of twins. When two embryos develop simultaneously in the same uterus and two offsprings are delivered from the same pregnancy, they are called as twins. The two types of twins are monozygotic twins and the second is dizygotic twins. Explain monozygotic twins. During early period of embryonic development, within 8 days of zygote formation, cells of the single embryo divide into two groups and develops as two separate embryos. Such twins are genetically exactly similar to each other, hence their appearance as well as the gender is same. Explain dizygotic twins. Sometimes two oocytes are released from the ovary of a woman and both are fertilized by two separate sperm. As a result, two separate zygotes are formed. Embryos formed from these zygotes are separately implanted in the uterus and thus zygotic twins are formed. Zygotic twins are genetically different and may be of same or different gender. What are the reasons behind lack of awareness regarding reproductive health in our country? The reasons behind lack of awareness regarding reproductive health in our country are social customs, traditions, illiteracy, shyness, etc. Write any four symptoms of syphilis and gonorrhea. Symptoms of syphilis: cankering occurring on various parts of body, including genital, rash, fever, inflammation of joints, alopecia, etc. Symptoms of gonorrhea: painful and burning sensation during urination, oozing of pus through penis and vagina, inflammation of urinary tract, anus, throat, etc. What is double fertilization? In flowering plants, the process of fertilization occurs twice in the same embryo sac by two male gametes. It is called as double fertilization. Which are the important life processes in living organisms? Nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion, sensation and response, control and coordination, etc. are the important life processes in organisms. Which life processes are essential for production of energy required by body? Life processes such as nutrition, respiration, and circulation are required for production of energy in a body. Which are main types of cell division? There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. What is the role of chromosomes in cell division? In cell division, chromosomes carry genetic information from parent cell to daughter cells. Who determines whether the two organisms of a species will be exactly similar or not? The similarity or difference between the organisms of a species depends upon whether these individuals are formed by sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. Which hormones are responsible for changes in human body occurring during onset of sexual maturity? At the time of sexual maturity, hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone are responsible for the physical changes taking place in males and females. Why has the government of India enacted the law to fix the minimum age of marriage as 18 in girls and 21 in boys? Government of India has legally fixed the minimum age of marriage at 18 years in girls and 21 years in boys, as sexual maturity is attained by 10 to 17 years of age. Fixing a minimum age of marriage helps in controlling population explosion. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you have any problem about this video, then don't forget to comment me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the notification of new video.